Hello there, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you how I made this Ghanaian green pepper soup, or Ebunaebunu as we call it. Let's get right into it. First, I'll start by cooking turkey berries, garden eggs. I'll add in water and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Once that is cooked, I'll allow it to cool down before blending. This is a huge pot of soup, so use the meat according to your family size or how big your pot is. So I've added in my salted pork, Aiden fruit, dry herring, salted fish, chopped onion, water, cover it and let it steam for about 10 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'll go ahead to blend my garden eggs and turkey berries. I'll add in ginger and garlic, which is optional. I've added water and then I'll blend until it is very smooth. At this point, it has steamed for about 10 minutes, so I'll go ahead to strain my blended vegetables. And as I'm straining, I'll be adding water to easily, strain everything inside the pot. The turkey berries and garden eggs is really healthy, so you want to try to extract as much as you can. Yes. I'll add in some water. Please add the water according to your pot size or the amount of meat that you're using for your soup. I've added in 3 large onions, habanero peppers, and at this point we'll allow this to boil. Once it begins to boil, I'll add in my dry catfish and then I'll come in with my crabs. Like I said, you can use any meat or seafood of choice. We'll allow it to boil until the vegetables or the onions become tender. And once it becomes tender, I'll remove it, blend it, and bring it back into the soup. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now on this channel, we share recipes, inspirational messages, gospel music, and more. So please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you so much. After adding in my blended vegetables, I added in my broiled beef and smoked turkey, and then I allowed the soup to boil. I've already started boiling my water. So this is fresh spinach. Authentically, we use cocoyam leaves for this recipe, but I couldn't get hold of it, so I'm using spinach. I'll add in my snails and mushrooms. You can omit it if you don't like it. And then I'll add in my shrimp stock cube. You can use any seasoning of choice or any stock cube of choice. And then we'll allow the soup to boil. It's been about 3 minutes and the spinach is cooked. You don't want to overcook the spinach. I'll blend the spinach with a little bit of the spinach water and then straight into the soup. Now, once the spinach goes into the soup, guys, allow the soup to boil just for about 3 to 5 minutes to retain the beautiful green color, okay? And before you would add your spinach, make sure your soup is completely cooked before you add in the spinach, because the spinach is already cooked anyway. So once it goes in, allow it to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes and then turn off your flame, okay? My green pepper soup is ready to be served, or Ebunaebunu Nkwan, like how a Ghanaian will say it, okay? So I'm enjoying this with cocoyam fufu. You can enjoy this with any starch of choice, or you can enjoy it as it is. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. We are at 10,000 subscribers, and I want to thank all of you so very much for your support, for sharing my videos, for commenting. Guys, I'm truly grateful. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Bye, guys.